Ever feel like traditional banks are stuck in the past? Paperwork, long wait times, and hidden fees, ugh. That's where fintech companies come in, promising a smoother, more digital experience for managing your money. But with so many options popping up, how do you know which one to trust? What is fintech? Fintech, short for financial technology, refers to companies that use technology to deliver financial services. Think mobile banking apps, online investing platforms, and even cryptocurrency exchanges. They basically aim to make managing your money faster, easier, and more accessible. So, is Qonto a fintech? Absolutely. Qonto offers a suite of financial tools specifically designed for businesses. They provide features like online business accounts, expense management tools, virtual cards, and integration with accounting software. All this, with a focus on a user-friendly interface and streamlined digital experience. How is Qonto different from traditional banks? Here's where things get interesting. Traditional banks often come with a lot of bureaucracy, making it difficult to open accounts, transfer funds, and manage transactions quickly. Qonto, on the other hand, prides itself on a quick and easy sign-up process, allowing you to set up your business account online in minutes. Benefits of using Qonto. Let's dive into some of the benefits businesses can enjoy with Qonto. Simplified expense management, track company spending, categorize transactions, and issue virtual cards for better control over finances. Real-time tracking, gain instant insights into your account balance and transaction history, making budgeting and financial planning a breeze. Integration with accounting software, save time and eliminate manual data entry by seamlessly connecting Qonto with popular accounting platforms. Improved team collaboration, assign spending limits and permissions to different team members, ensuring transparency and responsible financial management. Who is Qonto for? Qonto caters primarily to startups, freelancers, and small businesses. Their features are designed to address the specific needs of these growing entities, offering a flexible and scalable financial solution. Is Qonto right for you? Ultimately, the decision depends on your specific needs. If you're a business owner looking for a user-friendly, digital-first banking experience with features that streamline expense management and financial tracking, then Qonto might be a great option. Exploring alternatives. Of course, Qonto isn't the only fintech player in town. There are several other companies like Revolut, Brex, and Wise, each with their own unique features and target markets. Do your research and compare different fintech options to find the best fit for your business. The fintech revolution is changing the way businesses manage their finances. With services like Qonto, you can ditch the traditional banking hassles and embrace a more efficient and digital approach. So, are you ready to join the fintech wave? Call to action. Let us know in the comments below. Have you tried any fintech services for your business? Share your experiences and recommendations with the community. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.